Hi guys, today we're going to be doing is another slime video, but as I always have you guys, not stand up, but still, we need to get you set up, but we're going to be getting it set up a different way today, because the part where I have it is like, the part where I usually set it is like not in a mood today. So sometimes it's not in a mood, I just have to do it anyway. But this is like a way better way to do it. And you can like, I just do it a different way. So so it can stay the way so it can stay like straight. Or unless I could just talk to you guys, so let me just because okay, I took you guys are still on the camera, but we're gonna be doing another slime video. Okay, so right there. I already took the lid off the other one because it's really hard to take it off, and I want to be prepared. So let me put you guys, let me get you guys ready. Okay, I got really scared over this. This is a TV, so don't get frustrated about this. I will cover it if I need to. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down. Okay, so here is this one. That one is zombie, and this one's apple, or not, peach. I forgot his name. Peach plum, or I don't really know. This one's peach plum. That's peach plum. This is zombie. Okay, that one is zombie. And the only reason I'm doing it on a different camera, like not on Musical.ly and stuff, is because Musical.ly does not give you time to like do all the stuff you need to do. Because last Musical.ly video I did, I would have to like pretend like all this was in there. I'm gonna put the lid on real quick. Pretend like it was on there, and I would have to do this. Okay, so let me pause you guys. Okay, guys, you guys just found, if you guys did not see, that I'm just gonna try to face you guys. Like wearing hats. Okay, it will not stand. So all I can do right now is just face us. Like it won't even. The video just doesn't want to do it today. Okay, so I'll just show you from here. I don't know if we can do what we usually can from here. Okay, we can. I'm trying to like do the pokey thing I always do. Yeah. I swear to God, there's nobody else at my house right now. I'm lying. Did you guys see the thing that was right here? Shut up, I'm saying nobody's in my house. Just kidding, there is people in my house. What's up? There is everybody's in my house. You can see him. That's my mom's, but I'm trying to back up for you guys, but I can't. I was just trying to make a scary moment right there, so I could be scared. Okay, so this is zombie slime. The reason I called it zombie slime is because it looks like it would be a zombie. And we had blueberry slime, blueberry monster in it. And we also had lemonade stand. And now we have like peaches. And we also had, this one I barely got. This one I literally barely got like the other day, and I named it zombie because what's not so about it? That's not a zombie, but that's not a zombie, but I got a little nail polish because if you like seen the other videos, you can see like they have their nail like chips and stuff like that, but mine does. And mine doesn't. Any kind of slime video I do, it doesn't chip. Yeah. And the only reason I'm trying to show you guys my hair is because I always have my hair down and I just brought it up. And it's way better. Like, trust me. I take it up personally. Good, great, nice. I love it. I really love it. And you guys really want to see. Oh no, I put them in the wrong ones. I literally didn't mean to. I put peaches. No, wrong one. I put peaches inside this one. And this one inside this one. It sounds weird. Let me just close it. If you heard that, then you guys are experts. Oh yeah, make sure to subscribe, please. Actually, do not subscribe to me. Do not, please don't. I'm asking you not to, but leave a thumbs up, please. Leave a thumbs up, but don't subscribe because I don't have. Oh, this is my almost my last video. This is like almost my first video. I really don't know. Some of the videos I might be doing in the future, it would be like, never have I ever. As I was saying, the future videos are gonna be like, never have I ever videos, and slime videos, and like more of that stuff, and videos where I just answer your guys' comments. If I even get any comments. But I might. But anyway. Or hate comments. You guys might hate me. And yeah. Oh yeah, some drawing videos too. I'll teach you how to draw like perfect stuff. I don't draw perfect stuff, but I do draw great. Let me just put these stuff back where they. I keep on forgetting to take them out of the container that they don't go in.
Are you gonna do the video?
As I was saying, this goes in here. This little tiny container. If you could read it, you are talented. I could. It says glow in the dark. Oh yeah, next video we'll be doing Never Have I Ever. I don't know who's gonna be reading it, but we'll just get that situated. Next video. Okay, so please, we're all done. I just need to show you guys some things. Let me just go put this back. Now that looks complete. In the next videos, I'll be doing some other stuff, and I'll just think about one.
Please enjoy it that way.
Sorry guys.
That was him.
You guys remember me? I've been in some of the videos.
Yeah. He didn't fart. It was the fart thingy.
Plus, save up to 50% on select program and national brands like Harriet, Timberland, and more. Save big during Bella's after.
You're not bullet in there. You don't even need a bullet.
And I might be never.
This is fart. Wait, no. Flarp. Not fart. And this is the flarp. I'm gonna keep some of it now. How come it does it so good and mine doesn't? I had mine. I gave it to Abraham and he just stuck it out and lost it. I have to get Julian's. It's not that good. Because mine would have been like this by now. But instead it's not. Okay. Okay, I could prove to you it's a farter. Okay, so
I'll be never have a challenge.
Probably. I really don't know. But I will have the same hairdo. Literally the same.
I will have a shirt on be nicer.
So yeah. We are gonna be doing a Never Have I Ever video sometime in the month or anything, or week or day. And whenever we get bored, we'll just start doing it. And yeah, I have a special guest to show you. Now, I have all kinds of special guests to show you, but I'll show you guys those guests like on the future videos. And yeah, but my hands are super soft right now. Here, here's my new guest. I'm pulling her from right here. Okay, this is her dress. I could try to put her like that, but she's porcelain. I sprayed her with some perfume that really smells really good. And it's in my purse. I'll go get it right now. It's in my purse. It's this perfume. This perfume I sprayed her with. It's not mine, it's actually hers. I didn't come with her, but I literally bought it for her. Well, I didn't. I got it for Christmas and I gave it to her. I got her for Christmas too. And yeah. So yeah. Like as I was saying, I have like all kinds of other dolls, but I only have 3 out of my play doll everythingy. So yeah, we're about to do Never Have I Ever. So bye guys.